Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to What's New at PosterMyWall. At PosterMyWall, we believe that every small business deserves the opportunity to grow and prosper. That's why we empower you to create your own professional graphics and marketing campaigns in minutes with our easy-to-use templates and publishing tools. Today we have 3 new features that we are really excited about: Spellcheck, vertical text alignment, and Radial fill for text backgrounds. Let's take a look. With Spellcheck, you can instantly find and fix your spelling errors. We all know how embarrassing it can be when you send out a flyer or post something on social media and it has a typo. Spellcheck helps you ensure that doesn't happen. Say you're working on a graphic that you're going to post to Instagram and you've spelled something wrong. Click to activate the text box and add a cursor. A red squiggly line will appear under the word you've misspelled, and you'll also see 2 spelling suggestions and an ignore option. Correct the spelling and the red line disappears. It's that easy. With Spellcheck, you'll feel more confident that your graphics and marketing are spelling error-free. On to the next new feature. We've added vertical alignment to our text boxes. This saves you time by making it possible to keep your text in position as you change or edit it, or to center it exactly where you want it. With one click, you can align your text at the bottom, at the top, or in the center. If you add more text or create more lines, your alignment will stay the same with the same border spacing, in this case centered vertically. This eliminates the need to reposition the text by hand. Today's final feature is gradient options for your text box backgrounds. This is another of those small details that can elevate a graphic from ordinary to something really, really special, right? Plus, having a background behind your copy can really make it pop. Just click on your text box and scroll down on the right to find the background option. In addition to the option for a solid color background, you can use a linear gradient or a radial gradient. Then adjust to select the 2 colors you want. And there you have it, 3 new tools: Spellcheck, vertical text alignment, and Radial fill for text backgrounds. With PosterMyWall, there are infinite ways to customize your designs to make them beautiful and on brand. If you use any of these new tools, tag your designs with #PosterMyWall. We'll share the best designs with our social media feeds. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on our next PosterMyWall What's New.